How to make crunchy plantain chips. Guys, in this video I'm going to be taking you through the process of making plantain chips, non-sticking plantain chips, crunchy plantain chips, and I'm going to be showing you how to peel your plantain to avoid wound in your hands, because sometimes peeling unripe plantain can be so stressful. Now here I've cut out my plantain and then I draw a line in the middle. As you can see, I'm showing you the line here. Just use your knife to give an incision from up to down of your plantain and then soak it back into the water. This is the ripe one, so I didn't make any line in it, but the unripe one, so that peeling it, removing the back is going to be easy. Okay, after some minutes I then use my hand to start peeling it off, and it's going to come out as easy as. You don't even need knife to do this, because I noticed that using knife to peel it sometimes can damage the body of the plantain itself, and it will make your plantain look rough and dirty. Okay, so this is just the best way to do it. Now if you don't even want to do it this way, after soaking it into the water, you can be peeling it off inside the water, and that one is very easy. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do for all of them. Now if you want to make this plantain chips at home as a snack, or you want to be selling it, now this is the best video for you, because you're going to be getting detailed explanation on how to make plantain chips, the easy way to make plantain chips. Okay, now you see this one, I'm peeling it inside the water and it came out very easy. In fact, it was easier than the first one I did. Okay, so you just put it inside the water and then you start peeling it off. Even your hand, there will not be anything in your hand like all this plantain gum and the rest of them. It's going to come out very easy. Okay, so I'll be doing that for all the plantains remaining. Remember, you just cut your plantain, wash your plantain, make incision through it, just a long incision through it from top to bottom, and then you leave it inside the water for some minutes, like 2 minutes before you start peeling it off, and it's going to come out very easy. Okay, so continue the same process till we finish peeling our plantain peels. Okay, now I'm going to wash them, and now it's time to fry. Look at the cutter I'm using. The cutter I'm using, I got it from the market. Okay, so you take it to your heated oil. Make sure your oil is already heated, and then you start sliding it into your oil. Now this is what I'm going to do for the rest of. Make sure you don't crowd the oil, it's not crowded. Okay, here I fried one plantain at a time because my frying pan was small. Okay, but if you're doing it for business, make sure you get a bigger frying pan, and if possible to reduce cost, you can use something like a coal pot, a charcoal pot, to fry yours, or you can use firewood to fry yours. I think it's going to reduce the cost of gas and the rest of them. Now this is it. After doing that, you separate it and allow it to fry. So this is me removing it from the oil. Please do not allow it to get brown before you remove it, because if you get brown, it's going to look burnt. Okay, so but if you don't want it to look burnt, make sure once it's dried, you use your fork or whatever you're using to check it, hit it. If it sounds king, you remove it. Now this is it. Just look at how crunchy and how separated it is. It is not sticky. It didn't stick to the other.
Like and share this video. Bye for now.